We're here doing a little baritone mania, finger picking mania 2. And this one, I'm going to teach you how you can finger pick any song on the baritone ukulele. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're into finger picking, want to learn more about it, this video right here I'm about to show you and some of the information I'm going to give you, this is what you need. This will solve your answers. At least we'll get you on the right path. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. All right, let's get it off to a good start here. The reason why I even did this video is because I have a brand new course, the Beginning Baritone Fingerstyle Ukulele course. This is a fantastic course for beginners or people that just want to get into baritone finger picking a little bit more, which is not a lot out there. And this course is available to you now. So I'll put a link of that below. That's at ukelikethepros.com. And so I was thinking that what can I give you today that will help you finger pick any song? So any song, doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter what the time signature is, doesn't matter what the chords are, doesn't matter the style. You can use this, what I'm about to show you. Are you excited? It'll comment below. Does that sound like, oh my gosh, I'm about to open up the gates, the pearly gates, the finger picking right here in this video. So that's why I wanted to do this video for you. We'll start off real simple, and then you can take what you learned in this particular video and apply it to any song. And I'm going to demonstrate it for you right now. All right, now I could take the easy way out and you could say, you could just finger pick every song with your thumb. Matter of fact, there you go. That's the lesson. Thanks for coming. No, I mean, you could do that. That's totally fine. It actually sounds good. And I do use my thumb for some fingerstyle stuff, but that's going to only limit to you some stuff. The key here is working your fingers, getting the dexterity and the strength up in all of these fingers. Don't worry about your pinky. We don't really play the pinky that much, but your thumb, your index, your middle, and your ring finger. If you can do what I'm about to show you, and you get this down, then you can do this with any song. And I'm going to actually show you a couple of variations you can do, because once you get this basic thing down, sky's the limit for you about what you can do here on the baritone and finger picking. All right, so let's do keep it simple. Grab your G chord here. This is G because we're in baritone tuning, which is D, G, B, E. Okay, and then you do that, and that's your G chord. And just, by the way, I can't stress it enough. ukelikethepros.com. I mean, we're the leaders in baritone. I mean, we got a bunch of stuff on YouTube and stuff, but check out, we got courses, beginning courses. We got the new fingers picking course. We got blues stuff. We got everything. Just become part of the ukelikethepros Nation. Just check all that stuff out over there. All right, back to here. All right, G chord. Do this for me. Put your thumb right here on the 4th string. Don't play it. Put your index on the 3rd string. Put your middle on the 2nd, and put your ring finger on the 1st string. And just lay them there like this. Let me just rotate a little bit for you, just like that. Okay, just place them right there like that. Now, this pattern is called the Pima pattern, and it's by far the most used pattern ever. And the thing is, why I'm showing it to you is because, once, it's a great pattern. You could literally use this pattern for anything. But then I want to show you what else you can do with this pattern, because it's really about, like I said earlier, the strength, the dexterity with the fingers here. Sorry, grab your G chord again. So grab it. Place your fingers here on the strings. Already have them planted on the strings. Okay? Not like this, one at a time. We're not doing this. Have them all planted. And then we're just going to simply pluck each string one by one. So thumb, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. Let's do that again. Place your hands, plant them there. Thumb, index, middle, and ring. Now on this one, I'm not going to get too into depth about how to finger pick. I do that in the course. I have in that course, the beginning baritone fingerstyle course, I get into all that. But I'll show you just real quickly. Great. Grab your hand again, right here on the G chord, and then notice the thumb. So I have the thumb a little bit ahead of the fingers, not like this, but like this. And then I'm just gonna pluck the 4th string with my thumb. And then my index finger here is just gonna, it's almost, see how it curls into the finger there, into the palm there? And then the middle, same thing. And then the ring, same thing. So that's boom, 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 boom. It's almost like I'm curling my hand as I'm playing it. All right, do this a couple times with me. 3, and it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Trust me, get this down. Get this down. If this is totally new for you, you're gonna be like, man, it's a lot going on. If you've been doing it for a while, you might be like, that's kind of easy. Nothing's easy, because you can always improve. You can always get better tone. You can always just make it sound better, work with dynamics. Just don't ever think, oh, that's easy, I'm gonna move on. That's not how winners think. We keep on working, we keep on getting better. All right, so now I could take a progression like, if I go to the G, to the D, to the E minor, and to the C chord. All right, now I do this. There it is, right there. How amazing does that sound? I mean, am I the only one that feels this excited about it? To me, that's absolutely beautiful. It's just taking that simple progression that you hear in literally thousands of songs and just adding that Pima pattern to it. Get it down. Trust me on this. Get it down. You liking this? You get any kind of value out of this or just digging it? Make sure to leave a comment below and smash that like button. All right. Now, once you get that down, I'm going to give you a little extra value here. A little extra value. By the way, just because I'm thinking about it, I did another video with the 7 most important fingerstyle patterns for baritone ukulele. If that's something you want, there's a free PDF as well that goes with that video. We'll put a link of that below. Just go get it. It's totally free. You can get that PDF. It's like 7 or 8 pages, and it has all the different fingerpicking patterns on it. All right, so grab this again. Now, instead of doing a Pima pattern, right? This is really what the video is about, is a Pima pattern. But once you get that, you can literally use any combination of your fingers and come up with your own finger picking pattern, right? So, for example, I might do this. Now, I'll show you that one. I'm not going to show you every one because I don't necessarily want to show all these patterns to you. That's why that download's there, but I just want to show you the possibilities. So this one is just the reverse. So it's just thumb and then ring, middle, index. That's a backward roll. And then again, thumb, ring, middle, index. Do it with me one time here. And how cool is that? Right? So then once you get that, you can use any combination of fingers you want. Be creative. There's really no right or wrong. It's just what you're developed. You can even get into some pinching. All right, once you get these different combinations, by the way, the pinch is just when you play 2 strings at once, you're pinching them together. But once you get these down, then when you play any progression, I just made that up on the spot today for this video. That's not a piece I play or I know. I just literally I found those chords and I just came up with the picking pattern. Matter of fact, if I did it again, I probably wouldn't do it the same. And the reason is I got the strength and dexterity in the thumb, the index, the middle, and the ring finger. And if you just do what I'm telling you here, you're going to be able to get that too. And then any song you want, it doesn't matter. Again, the chord progression, what key it's in, the style, are they bar chords, old position chords, is it fast? So it doesn't matter. You'll be able to finger pick it. So anyway, I hope you're digging that. By the way, I'm playing my Guitarlele baritone here. Check it out, store.ukelikethepros.com for all your ukuleles, ukulele accessories. We are the #1 ukulele store. Anyway, I do appreciate you being here. Thanks for the support and the comments, smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, all that kind of stuff. You can also check us out on Instagram at ukelikethepros and follow our Patreon page. We give a lot of great stuff to our patrons as well. Patreon.com/ukelikethepros. So that's going to do it. I hope you dug this video. You got a little bit of value of it. You feel a little better about finger picking because I know if I can do it, you can do it. So let's go. All right. Check out the course. That's really the next step for you. ukelikethepros.com, the beginning baritone fingerstyle course. So, all right. Take care of yourself. Be safe. And we'll see you next time.